After you spread thin set on the wall all in one direction, whether it's horizontally or vertically, in this case we did it vertically because, well, it's obviously taller, it's the height is longer and it's per panel. So that being said, we went with the vertical direction with our thin set. Again, if it was a 24 by 24 tile, I guess it really won't matter which direction you go, as long as you always keep the thin set going in the same direction on the wall corresponding with the panel. Large tiles, make sure that spread thin set on both sides. You have to run everything in the same direction. Can't stress that enough. That's the way to get the proper full coverage that it requires behind the panel, so that you got long strength bonding material being done. So yeah, now that I got the thin set on the wall, I'm gonna focus on getting the thin set on the panel, put them both up together, hook up my spacers. Now's the perfect time to show y'all guys the spacers. Let's take a look. These are the spacers, right? So after we snap them in together, what we do is you want to slide it in and butt them up right next to it. Now the spacers have the backboard, the back piece of the spacers have little holes. When they get pressed in, thin set's also gonna come out of those little holes, which helps the spacer bond better. So we got the one piece right there. Let's put one up here. Oh, very important, guys, very important. When y'all putting these spacers up, very important, check this out. When y'all put spacers up, do not put them very close to the edge of your panel. That's a rule, I think. And if it's not, it should be one. I can't remember when I went to the class, but if y'all put it up real close to the edge of that panel, real close, right here, when y'all go to press it with the gun, you will break this corner. So you gotta stay a good distance away from that corner. Now let's put the rest of these spacers up. I like to use as many as I can, to be honest, because the panel itself, it's really flexible. So the more spacers you got, the better. You wanna make sure that you have enough spacers in there to help you put everything nice and tight in place. This one I'm gonna put right there. These are pretty close to each other. I'll move this one up a little bit. I got like one too many in there, but it's okay. It's better to have one too many than one too less. Now let's grab the panel. We're gonna bring the panel and we're gonna put it right here. And then I'm gonna get behind it, put the thin set on, then we're gonna put it on together. All right, guys, it's time to move the panel. We have to bring the panel. Bring it back. All right, so we spread the thin set behind the panel. We spread the thin set on the wall. Now it's time to bond them together and put these spacers on. So let's do that next. And this is why the perfect gloves are needed. The cut level on these gloves is level 1. They're pretty cool. Now I'm gonna grab this panel and get it as close as I can, right above my shim, right? Right. Just a little bit at a time, guys. This thing is heavy. Whoa. Did I get it on top of the thing? That's good. I got it on top of the thing so far. Guys, I'm getting a lot closer. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm getting a lot closer. I'm getting way closer. So come on, hold it. All right, that's like basically right there. I just need a centimeter more this way. Okay. And then that's pretty much it. Let me see if I can lift and kick the bottom in first so that I'm in the bottom first. Alright, my bottom is in there now. Alright, that's it. Press it in. Now it's time to use the whacker and whack it in. Again, I can either use the top piece and hear the clicking all the way down, or I can just use this part right here. And then when I get close enough, I press in some and slide it down. Okay, that's good. All right, so basically I put this on level 4. We don't want the S. The S stands for snap. So we want to put this on 4, level 4. I'm gonna go to level 3 first. Okay, seems to be already at a level 3 there. Slide it in there and basically just slightly squeeze. I'm gonna help apply pressure on this side because it needs it. All right, now I'm gonna wham it a little more. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If y'all liked it, hit the like button for me. If y'all want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.